अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। कैफ़ हालकुम अय्युहा तुल्लाब, कैसे हो बच्चों? आई होप यू ऑल आर feeling better at home in this pandemic time. घर पे रहकर तंदुरुस्ती को संभालना है बच्चों, और पेरेंट्स को हेल्प करना है, और टाइम को वेस्ट करने से बचना है। तो today I am going to do 2 exercises left from lesson number 12. Before this, in video I explained al-asmaul isharat, demonstrative pronoun. So before I start, I request you all, at the time of watching video and listening this, you take your textbook, Arabic textbook in your hand, open page number 62, exercise number 2, Tarjim ilal Injiliziyya, translate into English. So already you are aware about al-asmaul ishara. In class 5 also you learned. This year also, in previous videos and PDF, you got asmaul ishara, demonstrative pronoun. But learning is not enough. सिर्फ सीख लिया यानी देख लिया, सीख लिया, हो गया, ख़त्म ना. You should practice in your home by speaking Arabic. As in English, you say this, that. So in Arabic also you use at home haza, hazihi. Already I explained in previous video that haza is used for mudhakkar, male. Hazi is used for muannas, female. And both are used for singular, wahid. Likewise, zalika, tilka. Zalika is used for muzakkar, male, and tilka is used for muannas, female. What is the difference between haza and zalika and hazihi and tilka? The difference is of gender. Means haza, zalika is used for muzakkar, kareeb and ba'id. Haza for kareeb, zalika for ba'id, far. दूर के लिए ज़ालिका, नज़दीक के लिए हादा. और मोन्नस फीमेल है तो दूर के लिए तिलका और नज़दीक के लिए हाजी. ऐसा मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो के अंदर समझाया. अब यहाँ पर सेंटेंसेस है, ट्रांसलेट करना है उसको. तो फर्स्ट अरबिक टू इंग्लिश है. मैं आपसे खुद कहूँगा कि आप खुद इसकी प्रैक्टिस करो कि हम हाजा का मीन्स दिस है, तालिब, स्टूडेंट, सगीर, स्मॉल. So from lesson only you can get the translation as previous videos. Then also I am doing translation here for you, my children. Don't worry. If you are in front of me, I hope soon you will be front of me. So that time, inshallah, the exercise is your work to do in advance by learning lesson, translation and explanation and grammar. You solve exercise with your own self. Exercise आपको अपनी तरफ से करना है. Okay? So here, hada talibun saghir. This is a small student. This is a younger student. Saghir, small. What is the opposite of saghir? Kabir. Small, big. So in Arabic, saghir, kabir. Kabir, big. And saghir, small. As you listen in Azan, Allahu Akbar, Allah is great. Akbar बहुत बड़ा, कबीर बड़ा, अकबर बहुत बड़ा. तालिब singular, plural, तुल्लाबुन, as you can see in second sentence. Now second, haulai तुल्लाबुल मद्रसतिल हिंदियतिल हदीसा. This, hada this, THIS, and haula this, THESE, this, plural, for near things, near students, near person, plural, jama, for muzakkar and muannas both, you can use this. So haulai tullabul madrasatil hindiyatil hadisa, these are students of modern Indian school. These are the students of modern Indian school. Third, zalika mudarrisun mashhur. As I explained, haza muzakkar qareeb for near, zalika muzakkar ba'id for male, far person. Zalika, we point out, the teacher is standing far from us. So that time what you will use? Zalika mudarrisun mashhur. That is a famous teacher. That is an intelligent teacher. Number 4, ulaika mudarrisun. Ulaika. As in second sentence what came? Haulai. Now here ulaika. Ulaika is for muzakkar also and muannas also, male, female both. But for whom? Far. Ulaika mudarrisun. A group of teachers are standing far from us. So from here, from near this side, you will point out to their teachers, your ustaz. Ulaika mudarrisun. Those are teachers. Those are teachers. Number 5, hazihi talibatun mujtahida. In Arabic, whenever you stop and end, so round ta become ha. Hazihi muannas qareeb, female near to you, you will say hazi. Male near to you, you will say haza, as I explained already. Zalika male for far and tilka far. Hadihi talibatun mustahida. This is a hard-working student, girl student. This is industrious student. So this sentence are Arabic. I translated into English. Once again, hada talibun saghir. This is a small student or younger student, what you can say. Haulai tullabul madrasatil hindiyatil hadisa. These are modern Indian students of modern Indian school. Zalika mudarrisu mashhur. That is a famous teacher. That is an intelligent teacher. Ulaika mudarrisun. Those are teachers. Hadihi talibatun mujtahida. This is hard-working girl student. This is an industrious student. Okay. Now exercise number 3. Tarjim ilal Arabiyya. Translate to the Arabic, into Arabic. Translate into Arabic. First, this is an industrial student. Now one thing I want to say you, beta, that whenever you do translation from English to Arabic to English translation easily you can do because you know the translation. But whenever this type of exercise comes, ऐसे exercise जब आए, जब आपको English से Arabic करना है, तो सर खो जाओगे, इसका Arabic, इसका Arabic. So what you do, you take one word. Likewise, you will say this. Yes. So this, what do you use? Hada. Okay. Now is, and, a, these types of word are used in English. In Arabic, there is no any single word for this all. It comes in word also, word only. Now this, you take this means hada. Industrious, as I explained upside, mujtahida. So you can use for male also and female also. Industrious, mujtahidun. If you are using for boy, so mujtahidun. And if you are using for girl, mujtahidatun. Yes. Student, if boy student, so talibun. If girl student you are intending, so talibatun. So three words are there, these, industrious and student. So for this, hada, industrious mujtahidun, student talib. Now what you will say? Hada talibun mujtahidun. You be careful, adjectives will come after in Arabic. Industrious student, good student. In English what? Adjective come first. Good boy, smart boy, industrious student. But in Arabic what happens? That it comes after word. So you will turn this sentence. These are the industrious mujtahid, student talib. Now you will say talib first. Haza talibun mujtahidun. And if you are using for muannas, so what you will use for this? Hazihi. Yes, very good. Hazihi, industrious mujtahidatun, student talibatun. But you will speak talibatun first. Hazihi talibatun mujtahida. As you can see in sentence 5 of translate into English. Now second sentence. Who is this? Question. And you learn already question words. Who? Man. Is, there is no word for is in Arabic. It come enter in word only. So who, man. And this, if you are using for male, haza. And if you are using for female, hazihi. Because English meaning are same. For haza also this, and for hazi also this. So man haza or man hazihi. This is a teacher. This hada if you use for male, and if you use for female, so you will say hazihi. Is a no meaning in Arabic, no word for Arabic. Teacher, mudarrisun, male teacher, and mudarrisatun, female teacher. So if you are saying male, this is a teacher, hada mudarrisun. Clear? And if you are saying female, so what you will use? Hazihi mudarrisatun. And if you stop, hadihi mudarrisa. Clear, beta? Now third sentence and last. Who is that? So already who came up? Who means man in Arabic. Question word. Is no Arabic word. And that, yes, dhalika. Very good. And if you use for muannas, tilka. Man zalika, man tilka. Both you can use, because English meaning is same for zalika and tilka. So if you are using for male or female, it will different in Arabic. But English say, who is that? So you can, in English, this sentence you can use for male muzakkar also and muannas also, female also. But in Arabic, if you want to use for male muzakkar, so you will say man zalika, who is that? And if you are using for female muannas, so you will say man tilka. Yes, that is an engineer. That is an engineer. That zalika is an no Arabic word. Engineer, muhandisun. Zalika muhandis. But for who? Muzakkar, male. Very good. And for muannas, that is an engineer. Tilka muhandisatun. You will enter gold ta around ta in the end of muhandis. So it becomes female. So that is an engineer. Zalika muhandis. For male you can say. And that is an engineer. Tilka muhandisa. For female. So clear, student? To exercise today, listen it carefully and write in CW also. So I am repeating this exercise again. This is an industrious student. Hada talibun mujtahid, if for male. Hadihi talibatun mujtahida, for female. Who is this? Man hada, for male. Man hazihi, for female. This is a teacher. Hada mudarris, for male. Hazihi mudarrisa, for female. Who is that? Man zalika, for male. Man tilka, for female. That is an engineer. Zalika muhandis, for male. zalika, tilka, muhandisa, that for female. So clear student? Listen it properly while watching video and write in CW. Inshallah we'll continue next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.